Hello Simon, with the key from Joachim you can come to my parking garage, open the door, mind that step, and then come down here. If you pull on this chain, it will open the shutter door. You can come on in with your car. Leave your car anywhere for this, but there's my parking spot. There's my UK car. Parking spot number 3. There's 2 doors here. The door on the links, if you go through there. This is the foyer door. So einmal und zweimal. And then in here, Fahrradraum und das, die Waschküche. You come in here, turn the light on. This is the washing machine you can have. You know it's mine because of the model. So, yeah, if you could kindly take that, you can have that. Keep it, sell it, do what you want. Just these little two flights of stairs. That's my apartment. So, there we go. So if we come back, that's the main door in. And then we go, and I'm just preparing these for you. But these, even better, you can open this door, take them out, through that little gate, same key opens the gate, and you can park on the road there and load up this way. So that's it, quite easy. Thanks Simon, thanks a lot.